Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Watla kilawan ban Jngoh ya wabun ki Jaka ban pet ya kajing internet jong ki Kshaid bapher Henry ka Kshaid Weinia ka de ka wei na ki ba Khampher na baro bat hadien bakilayo iya ka kamen sim kala hunjurut watla da ki hapan phai no shalayeng penpau ki shikurem habakren bar nong tho khubor ka Kshaid Weinia ka de ka wei na ki Kshaid ka badon ha ki benta jong ka dolin nong khnum jong ka West Khasi Hills district bat la ban kado hang ni ba ya kado lenong la thau bat penlong da ka jing phia jong ka wa kin chi bat kumba la pau bat yo i menta ka jing khring jong ka te ka Jaka ka de na mar ka jing don ka jing internet ka ta na lor ka do lenong ki shiap bat ki Kshaid ki te ki arngut ba kan thop ya unip bat ka kurim jong u lembat ki khun ki de na ka jala Assam ha ka ba kilapan pauru ya ka jing sngo komen ka ba kraw hadien ba kilawan ban Jngoh ya ki lom panga jong ka dolen nong hanong khnum ka ba kila airu ya ka jing ro halor ka jing itanan henry menta na kalyang ka dor bar kur yauren yaular nong sangrang ka ba de ki Trai khando jong ka nong khnum ha ka si balang jong ka tayo kilapan bana pat ba on Khang no shwa shipor bat onom sha shu ya ki ki brio ban le Jngoh ka ya ka te Kshaid Weinia tat hadu ba on depan benapat da kumwei ya ka ni lapan pau da uba Livingstone yauren usketri ka dor bar kur yauren yaular nong sangrang ringkat bar uba Blasius yauren chairman ka dor bar kur yauren yaular nong sangrang habakran ba kinong tho khubor ha ka si balang jong ka tayo kilo ong ru ba ka daw jong ka jing Khang ka de namar kadang don ka jing kanrum kanram ha ka ba de bat kinong shimwai ya ka jing krong ki Jaka yang kali lan ki parking lot ha ka te ka Jaka
Hello. It's really marvelous and very, very beautiful. And we have come from Guwahati and have stayed Kiva homestay. It's a very, very beautiful and very, very homely homestay. And the next
They
day,
got a really royal home treatment
royal home treatment.
in the Kiva homestay.
And the next day is today. Today, one of our brother from Kiva homestay,
He's guided us
he
everywhere.
guided us everywhere and brought
And
us to
Finally, we have seen a fantastic falls.
Weinia Falls. It's really, really, really marvelous.
Amazing. It's really amazing. Very nice.
Go on.
The government can think for producing electricity, the hydraulic dam and all in this place. Such a big hydraulic jump is there, no? So they can do that. Last time, we have gone through so many places in India. We have seen so many falls, even Arunachal and all, Meghalaya that is in Sora and all, that is Serapunji and all. But while we came to know that there is something special type of falls is somewhere in Nongstein and all. That's why we came to Nongstein, stayed in Kiva homestay yesterday night, and today we have planned to come here. And one of our bhaiya, he's from Kiva homestay, only guided us, and we have really enjoyed and seen
Really enjoyed.
Really, I say this is totally satisfied.
Kajingmut kajungi banwan ha gade kapur kalong nang taban Pynbna pajba ha kabede bat kade ka kam parking hawinya namar kani kam parking hawinya amta kalalong ka bakunrum kanram hadu kata-kata te nagaliang jungi kum ka ndor parkur yauren yaular iko aban Pynbna pajba ha gade kapur nang taban Khang swa sipur ha kabaya bat kani ka tourist spot kapadon hawinya namar yolese katadon kanu kajingja ka pasngosi hagbede bat kinowan pekai yagani ka Jaka kapadon hagathan kadong kajungi tikalong kajingja burom ya ka kurgajat khamtam ya ka sinong kathau bat ya ka district hi barok kawai te nagaliang jungi hagani kapur ni penpau ya kata musim kajing Jngoh kia ba ni kwa ban Pynbna pat ba ngin Khang chua chipor tat nda kakur kan Pynbna da kumwei pat na kaliang jongi ni kentu i kamtam ya ginong wan pet kai ba gidei ban senge chua chipor namar gadon kani ka kenrum kenram hagbaya dei bat kani ka Jaka kabadon Weinia kadei namar ba menta kesnem ngilap pelaj tendar biang hagbaya dei bat kani ka parking lot kabadon Weinia bat iladon kiba yo ya kani ka tendar kabadai ban krong mentau snem re gidang don pat kiwei kibriu kiba krong tu kelar hagbaya dei bat kani ka Jaka kamtam ya kibriu kiba lech pet ya ka viewpoint kaba kikwa ban lech pet ya ka Kshaid Weinia te na kata kadau na kaliang jungi kum ka dorwar kur ngila persyang banya kren banya penbej banya Jngoh tu jingmut par kita kibriu Henry kim sngap na kaliang jungi kum ka kur ngila ai de jing tho de jing maham pan pensenge ya kata ka briu lani ya kita kibriu ba krong hagbaya dei bat kani ka viewpoint Henry kim sngap te na kaliang jungi kum ka dorwar kur ban sim da ginu kisenjam ki ba kham ngingim kwa ya kata Henry ni penpau sa ka perthei ban maham kamtam ya ginong wan pekai bagi dei ban sange chua sipor namar yo lesi gadon kanu ka jingja hagbaya dei bat kani ka Jaka gumbang ngala pata syakmat ba kalong ka jingja burom ya ka kurgajat ya ka dong athan pat ya ka jalahi parok kowe hagbaya dei bat ka parking ka badon nyamlang ka baha papo ka sinong dingsiang nagaliang jongi ka dorbar kurmenta ila sim ya ka rai ba parok kinong wan pekai kidei ban laj dei ban krong namar ladangi lap yanu giba krong bi ain ya kan karai jong kakur kan sa bisyar par sa sim de wepat kisenjam giba kamteng namar ka Jaka kaba hapating siang kalong ka Jaka kaba ngikum kakur ngile arai kunta dei ban sim lani ban krong yanu yamata spor kakur gumut ikwa pan pelaj free ya ginong wan pekai te lada lap ya ginu kiba sim kiba krong kemud na kaliang jongi kakur nyihapan sim kajing besar kita kibriu